This is a rare opportunity to own a completely renovated, historic West Central home. Upgrades have been completed from the inside out, restoring this property and bringing it back to life. From the minute you pull up, the charm of this home will draw you in. It's easy to picture yourself gathering on the front porch with family and friends, enjoying everything from warm summer days to refreshing fall evenings. Featuring 5 large bedrooms and 5 full bathrooms, including a guest area on the main level and a master bedroom with its own den area, you'll never be short of space. The gorgeous eating kitchen boasts white cabinets, tile backsplash, an island, and stainless steel appliances. French doors separate the kitchen from the spacious formal living room. Here you will find a unique window with intricate leaded glass detail that allows for great natural lighting. Each of the bathrooms have been renovated and are in pristine condition with lovely tiled showers. The brand new 25 by 25 detached 2-car garage offers plenty of storage area for your cars and outdoor toys. This one won't last long. Call Greg Spaheve to see this home